This is the brief on SushiSwap, the decentralized finance ecosystem. So, SushiSwap, right? Or Sushi. It kind of burst onto the scene with this wild vampire attack, basically siphoning off liquidity from its rival Uniswap. Pretty dramatic stuff. But since then, it's grown way beyond just being an exchange. Now it's aiming to be this complex, multi-chain platform, your one-stop shop for pretty much everything in DeFi. Okay, first up, the big idea here is getting efficient and reaching everywhere. See, SushiSwap operates on over 40 different blockchain networks, and it uses its really powerful route processor 6, they call it RP6, which is basically an aggregator that hunts down the best possible trading prices across all of them. And a lot of this magic runs on the Bento Box token vault. Think of it like an efficient operating system. It helps apps, like their lending platform Kashi, share costs, which saves you money on those annoying gas fees. Second, let's talk tokens and rewards, because that's how you benefit directly. If you stake your sushi tokens, you get something called X Sushi. And this X Sushi thing, it constantly gains value. Why? Because 0.05% of all the trading fees the protocol makes get used to buy sushi right off the market. And then that gets handed out to the stakers. Pretty neat, huh? Gives long-term holders a real stake. Oh, and they're also trying to be smart about stability, recently moving over $40 million of their treasury funds into stable assets. Finally, though, you gotta know about the risks. Despite all the cool tech, SushiSwap has had its share of drama, like a lot of governance crises. Remember that infamous $14 million rug pull incident by its anonymous founder, Chef Nomi? Yeah, not great. Plus, there's ongoing internal conflict. But the biggest shadow hanging over it right now? That's the SEC subpoena from March 2023. Looks like the US regulator is digging into whether the sushi token is an unregistered security and if the platform itself is an unregistered exchange. Big deal.
This is a great point to quickly pause and remind our listeners of something.
That's right. If you're enjoying how we break down these complex projects into simple pieces and want more reviews just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CryptoBox. We do all the complex research so you don't have to. So yeah, SushiSwap is definitely a resilient player in DeFi, but it's constantly walking this tightrope between pushing tech forward and dealing with internal struggles and that huge regulatory question mark from the US.